Salamat, Iya. Sakto sa mga ninong at ninang na naghahanap ng malutong na perang pang-aginaldo ang mga bagong perang polymer na ilalabas ng Bangko Sentral. Kung kailan at saan pwedeng makuha, alamin sa pagtutok ni Marie Zumali.
May iba na kapag tinanong kung anong gustong matanggap ngayong Pasko, cash o pera ang sagot ng iba. Kaya saktong-sakto raw ang ipinasilip ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas ng mga bagong pera. Ipinresenta kanina ng BSP kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang polymer bank notes ng 500 piso, 100 piso at 50 piso.
The first Philippine polymer banknote series is smarter, cleaner, and stronger. Smarter because they have advanced anti-counterfeiting features and a smaller carbon footprint. Cleaner because viruses and bacteria do not survive on polymer as long as they do on paper. And stronger because they last longer than their paper counterparts.
The pandemic reminded us of just how important hygiene is in our daily lives. Cash, which passes through countless hands every day, can carry germs, bacteria, and even viruses. And if they do get dirty, you can easily wipe them off with a damp cloth without any damage to the banknote whatsoever. Another key advantage is security. Their advanced security features make it more difficult to replicate.
Maaari na yang makuha sa mga bangko at magamit simula December 23, pero limitado muna sa Greater Manila area. Simula sa Enero, inaasahang masisirculate ito sa buong bansa. Ito ang itsura ng mga bagong polymer bank notes o pera na makikita na natin sa sirkulasyon simula sa susunod na linggo. Bukod sa 1,000 piso kung saan tampok ang Philippine Eagle, tampok naman sa 500 peso bill ang Visayan Spotted Deer, Palawan Peacock Pheasant sa 100 piso at Visayan Leopard Cat sa 50 piso.
Beyond featuring our biodiversity, these notes honor the everyday culture that we live and that we see around us. The intricate weave patterns carry the stories of families, communities, and generations who have kept these traditions alive through their hands and hard work.
Pero kahit may bago ng pera, maaari pa rin gamitin ng mga lumang perang papel. Pero dahil mas matibay, mas practical daw ang polymer notes.
Polymer banknotes can last up to 7.5 years, 5 times longer. And that means that we no longer need to replace them as often, saving money, cutting down on waste, and making a meaningful contribution to protecting the environment.
Pwedeng ito, Pep. Bawal plansyahin. Opo, plastic po ito, so talagang masisira po.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mariz Umali Nakatutok, 24 Oras.